Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Traditional Public School and Inter College, Lahore. Lecture 5, Science, Class 2. Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Aisha Azhar and I'm here with lecture number 5. Dear students, we have discussed Unit 8 Electricity in our previous lecture. Today, we will continue with the exercise which is on page 62 and 63 of your book. Before starting our lecture, I want you to open your books and start doing your work with me. Dear students, are you all ready? Okay, question number 1 is choose the correct answer. Number 1, which one of these things use mains electricity? A. Television, B. Broom, C. Pencil, D. Book. Yes, it is A. Television. Number 2, it is very dangerous to A. Play games, B. Use the computer, C. Touch a battery, D. Poke something into an electrical socket. Yes, it's D. Circle D. Poke something into an electrical socket. Number 3. Your remote controlled car is not working. It needs A. Water, B. Food, C. Battery, D. Petrol. Yes, very good. It's C. Battery. Circle C. Number 4. Which one of these things can work with a battery? A. Torch, B. Fridge, C. Toaster, D. Fan. Good, it's torch. Circle A. Number 5. Electricity is sent from power stations to homes through A. Pipes, B. Cables, C. Tubes, D. None of these. Yes, very good. It's B. Cables. Circle B. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. Dear students, you will do these questions in your notebook after completing the whole bookwork. Now, question number 1 is who is an inventor? Answer. A person who invents something new is called an inventor. Number 2. Who invented the first electric light bulb? Answer. Thomas Edison invented the first electric light bulb. Number 3. Where does the electricity we use come from? Answer. The electricity we use come from a power station. Number 4. Why can small batteries not be used to work a big electrical object? Answer. A battery contains electrical energy in small amounts. Therefore, it cannot be used for a big electrical object. Number 5. Write the name of one object that works with a battery and one that works by mains electricity? Answer: battery object, toy car, or you can write any one which you like. It could be torch, it could be mobile phone, it could be laptop, anything. Mains electricity object, fan. Question number 3. Make a list of things that you can find in your home or school which use electricity. Now, let's write down the things which we can find at our home first. LED, iron, fridge, AC, washing machine, and oven. Then write down the things which we can find at our school. Computer, electric coolers, fans, tube lights, and electric bell. Page 63, Activity 2. Join the dots and write the name of each object. Dear students, now quickly join the dots to make a clear shape of each object. Now let's label them. What do you think? What is the name of the first object that you can see on your computer screen and in your book too? Yes, it is battery or cell. Now name the second object. Good, it's bulb. Now, what is the name of the third object? Yes, it is plug. Okay, can you guess what is the last one called? Yes, it is cable. Children, do you remember that electricity is brought to our houses through thick wires called cables? Okay, children, that's it for today. Make sure that you complete all the book and notebook work before the next lecture. Have lots of nuts and hot soup. Take care. Allah Hafiz.